Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Dr. Teeth. Today we are going to unbox and have a look at the Waldent Ultrawave Max Piezo 4 LED scaler. Now, this scaler adopts a piezo ceramic ultrasonic technology which is designed for gingival and subgingival cleaning as well as root canal irrigation. This product has a built-in computer microprocessing chip that can intelligently control the working power and make the treatment more comfortable for our patients. And it is claimed to have a service life of 10 years. So let's quickly unbox the scaler and see what all we have inside and how do we set it up. So first up we have the wire foot switch. Then we have the main unit itself. We'll have a look at it in a while. This is the torque wrench. We also have an endo wrench. This is the endo wrench. This is used to fix the endo file during irrigation. This is the main power cord. This is our handpiece. These are the scaler tips. This is the pipe for the inlet water. Now, backside you can see we have a water controlling switch. We have on and off. We have inlet for the water and we have one USB port to attach the foot pedal. So we are attaching the foot pedal using the USB cable. Then coming to the power cord. Let's connect the power cord. Here we go. Then the water inlet. This is a water inlet attachment. Rotate it towards the right. Now we have set it up. Now it's time to set up the handpiece. You can see the arrow on the connector. This arrow has to align with the arrow on the handpiece. As you can see, now we are attaching it. Coming to the tips, let's install one tip. Using our torque wrench to tighten the tip, like so. Now let's see the functions of the main unit. Here we have a feather touch panel. We have gingival, periodontal, endodontic settings. As you can see, we have such a nice panel with touch enabled feature. And also you can hear a feedback from it. It's very nice. So we have set up our scaler. It is a LED scaler, so it gives a very good visualization of the field. You can check out the scaler from the link given in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, and if you are going to purchase it, I'm going to gain nothing out of it. It's just that I like the product and I wanted to share it with you all. So if you like the video, please press the like button. Also comment below if you have any questions. I will be glad to clear it out. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.